Hi, welcome to our Wallace, located at 6018 Old Evergreen Parkway. We're here at Heritage, which is an active adult community located in Indian Trail, North Carolina.
Here at Heritage, we offer a full gourmet kitchen package along with a gas fireplace, a gas furnace, and a gas tankless hot water heater. Located in the primary bedroom, we offer a beautiful box tray ceiling.
And look at this, we saved the best parts for last. This is the Wallace, the screen porch on the back of the home. You have a lovely ceiling fan, also have an uncovered patio for your grill, and the best part, look at this backyard. Backs up to a natural area, nice and flat, perfect for outdoor entertaining.